Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. This is an update for XRP. As you know, this has been a bitch of a correction to figure out with any high probability what's going on. But I do have a couple different scenarios I'm keeping in mind at the moment. One thing I wanted to show you was I got stopped out of this short right here. But if you check my previous video, I was also hedging long. So I bought at the 382 and the 50. I'm 2/3 into that position of this previous leg right here. That's the retracements you see there. So currently in there, we can get rid of this one for now. And also this one. So a couple things I'm considering is this a triangle X wave or B wave if this is an ABC. What that would look like is we get a zigzag here, zigzag up, zigzag back, and at that point I would probably take a trigger order above that previous B wave high. Stop will be at that low. Once the pattern fills out, it's very important the pattern has to fill out. But I will do an update video if we get something like that. Other option is the X wave is actually over here and we're running out a flat for our Y wave. And that would be a 3-wave pattern here. Looks like a zigzag, complex correction for our X, a double zigzag for our A wave, working on a B wave. 3-wave correction, and 5 waves up from there for our flat up to our target area between the 50 and the 618 of our previous move down. So those are the two short-term bullish scenarios I see. And if you didn't watch my previous video, I ended up taking that short because there was the option of a triangle to the downside previously. To the downside and the upside, and I didn't want to miss the move. That's why I took a short and a long at the same time. I wasn't sure which way that triangle could break, but clearly the triangle is either extending out to the upside or it's a flat correction. So those are the two bullish scenarios short term I see. Again, A, B, 5 waves up. Or we run out the triangle and we probably get a zigzag there and we'd get a double zigzag pattern. That's the WXY. The only current bearish count I have is this is only an A wave, 3-wave complex correction for our B wave, and this actually pans out as 5 waves down. And this becomes a larger ABC in itself, like so. And then we go for upside. But if I get stopped out on that trade, that's okay. I would look for a re-entry slightly lower than this A wave. And stop will go over here. If you are not in this and you're considering getting in it, my suggestion would to be either wait for that triangle to fill out and take the trigger long over the B wave, or you can get some entries in this area at the 382. That would be like an A wave, looking for our B wave and our C wave down. Stop at this low, similar to the entries I had over here, just the pivots change. This would be an A wave here. And you'd pull from this pivot to this pivot. Again, not financial advice, just showing you what I would do personally. I'll probably add my last 1/3 position I have available because I only got 2/3 filled before in this area here. But I'd want to see a 3-wave here before the entry. All right, guys, that's my update for XRP. Looking for this move to the upside between the 50 and 618 of the previous down move, and then after that some pretty big downside. But if you want to check out my other videos, I have better trade setups. This XRP one's just been a real pain in the ass, but at least we've been able to avoid getting chopped out in this area too much. But yep, that's what I would do. Again, not financial advice, just giving you my suggestions of what I would do personally, and looking for this wave to complete up here. And I'll have the short setup I'm going to take after that. So make sure to subscribe if you want to keep up to date on all that. Thanks for watching.